right now. Nobody can cross it. It's only who can understand it. Cross it. Nobody can cross it. It's only fisherman and a fisherwoman. So
as heavy rainfall and flooding continue to affect the island of Jamaica in this very unfortunate situation and time, we still have to carry on. We have our dead people for bury. Unfortunately, even with COVID happening, all of this unfortunate situation are going, and boy, me I tell you, it's nothing pretty. Right now, as you're looking, the picture we are look upon is some electric sparks caught on camera in Glenhaven Close, Maypen. Boy, me just hope say nobody no get hurt or injured in all that wagwan, but you can see say, boy, this here electric spark here and nothing pretty, me I tell you. So anyway, people, if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, what you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment in the comment box below. Let me know what you really think about this unfortunate event we're going in at the island at the moment and the rest of the Caribbean. Alright then, me gonna leave you know if you just get into the video and let me know what going in at the comment section. Thank you.
Share the road, block off, chop off. I bridges where a rabbitition them, not the politician them, you know. I bridges where politician them fix. Share the money of the people and nothing again.
You think that you
Mom!
Go over to the right. You think that you that's a very
Blood clot! No, banana!
The man pass a drop off and the woman. Me not get you, man. This is the man.